Here's a home that's everything good about New England. In addition to its walkable Bristol location, the circa 1786 Jeremiah Ingram house lets you savor fabulous water views with an expansive wraparound mahogany porch. Its architectural-grade exterior work, along with a rear addition, has made it a winning combination of period charm and modern elegance. Imagine warmly greeting guests on the dramatic porch and stepping into the entry. Rich oak hardwood floors anchor living spaces throughout the home. The interior has been completely opened up and styled in a luminous, airy design as fresh as a sea breeze. A combined living room, dining area, and gourmet kitchen provides the ultimate space to rejuvenate or to dazzle at formal gatherings in the glow of the fireplace. Fine custom cabinetry, professional-grade appliances, a spacious center island, a butler's pantry, and a wet bar make the kitchen functional as well as inviting. A set of French doors lets you walk out to the beautiful Pennsylvania bluestone patio. With a fully fenced-in yard, you'll enjoy picturesque outdoor living right out of a magazine. An integrated sprinkler system allows for a green lawn, while a small shed and raised beds let you create the perfect vegetable garden. Segue back inside, where the first floor powder room boasts a custom vanity with Calcutta marble. A pleasing den with more water views completes the first floor. Follow the stairs up to the second story to discover the owner's suite. Vaulted ceilings, a walk-in closet, and waterfront views take you beyond luxury. An ensuite Carrera marble bath presents a dual-sink vanity and a glass-enclosed walk-in shower with a built-in bench. The sizable landing leads to another full marble bath and two more bright and comfortable bedrooms. An extra-wide staircase takes you to the third floor, which has been reconfigured to house another lovely bedroom. A whole new lifestyle awaits you practically outside your door. Walk to historic downtown Bristol, brimming with superb shops and restaurants along Thames Street and Hope Street. The Rogers Free Library was fully refurbished in 2008 and provides 28,000 square feet dedicated to enriching the community. You'll be just minutes from the Bristol Yacht Club, while nearby Colt State Park lends a pretty recreation area. Residents delight in easy access to the 14-mile East Bay bike path, as well as equidistance to Providence and Newport. For more information, please visit the property website or contact Ramiro and Sizo at area code 646-275-4542.